In this project, we are going to demonstrate a working principle of a Pythagorean theorem. So as Pythagorean theorem suggests, the sum of the square of the base and square of the height of a triangle equals to the square of the length of a hypotenuse. So we are going to prove this principle using this project. So what we have done is we have provided a template for you to download and print this template, wherein the triangle measuring 3 units, 4 units, 3 units of base, 4 units of the height of the triangle and 5 units of the hypotenuse. So we have drafted this triangle, and we have also provided the squares equal to 3 units, square equals to 4 by 4 units, and a square equals to 5 by 5 units has been provided into this template. What you are going to do is you are going to cut the support system for the outer boundary for this model, that you can do as per your choice. You can use the cardboard. At the same time, you are also going to make this templates of using the graph paper and cardboard, wherein you can mark 16 squares at the scale of 2 centimeter as a 1 unit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 till 16. So this is a square measuring dimensions of 4 units by 4 units. In this case, we have taken 8 centimeter by 8 centimeter. So this is a square of 4 units by 4 units. So this is another square that you are going to use 3 units by 3 units. 1 unit equals to 2 centimeter. So we have used graph paper and cardboard. Another square of dimension 5 units by 5 units, which is nothing but 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters. So you are going to make another square of this particular dimension. In this particular model, we have also made, we have also broken down or cut the 9 squares from this particular big square into 9 small squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are basically 2 centimeter by 2 centimeter. We have just made them, we have divided them into 9 squares. So basically this model works in this fashion. So I am going to put this square of 4 units into this place. I am going to place a square of 5 into this particular place, and I am going to place a square of 3 into this place. So this is nothing but a right angle triangle, 3 units of base, 4 units of height and 5 units of hypotenuse. So I am going to place it right here. So this is basically the model. However, how does the model work? So the working principle of this particular model is I am going to remove this particular square of 3 units from this model. I am going to keep it here for now. I am just going to keep the triangle outside here. I am also going to remove the square of 5 units. I am going to keep it here for now. What I'll do is I'll just take this square of 4 by 4 units, that is 16 squares total. So I'm going to keep this rectangle, the square here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all these small, squares of 9 units into the remaining area. So what does this mean? So this means the 25 squares from the square of 5 unit by 5 unit. So now I can equally fit these 16 squares or 4 unit square in plus the 9 small squares from the square of 3, and this is from square of 4. So a square of 3, the square of 4, that is 16 units, plus square of 3, that is 9 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all this put together becomes 25 units, which is nothing but a square of 5. So that proves the Pythagorean theorem, saying that sum of the square of base, that is 3 units, plus sum of the square of height, that is 4 units, equals to the square of 5, that is the square of hypotenuse.